Evening, everybody. It's about 6:35 on Sunday night, the 6th of March, and this is your look at futures ahead of tomorrow and after the weekend of not having anything for 2 days. And it's pretty grim, actually. I mean, unless you happen to be long gold or oil or any of the energies, really. Um, right now, oil has traded as high as 130 and a half. The last is roughly 126, and that's up over $10. Um, Heating oil, which we use a lot of up here, it was up 34.5% last week and is up another 27.5 cents tonight, and that is an additional move of 7.25%. There's no way to call any of these markets anything but what they are, which is parabolic. The issue is there's a war and there's inflation, and I'm not really so sure. I did a lot of work over the weekend on looking at what happens to interest rates during periods of war and inflation, and it's not pretty. The fact is that you can't fight inflation particularly well if your demand for natural resources is extraordinarily high. And make no mistake, war is inflationary. Everything is a single use item. And so once you've used it, you have to replace it. There are no spare parts that come back from a drone strike or bullets. In any event, this is the heating oil. As I said, we use a lot of it up here in the Northeast. A little bit of propane in rural areas, but primarily heating oil. Going back to the home page here, gasoline up another 23 cents a gallon. I'm sure everybody has seen by now the pictures in California of $5 and change for gas, and this will only get worse. Gold up $24 here. This is really nice, nice move. Um, and Dennis has been harping on this for a while and has been long gold for a while. His accounts are up roughly 68% right now, year to date, and it's only the second week of March. As you can see, we're up against this 1990 area, 2000. Um, the high here was 2089.20, and I think Dennis is looking now at 2024 as the next stop. Don't forget that we have a metals only trading program, which is, as I said, run by Dennis. Silver up 41 cents. Copper, new all time high on Friday, further up tonight. This is a new commodity that is being covered. I don't remember what page it's on, but it's right after the corn. The cattle and stuff are not open, nor are many of the soft commodities. But you can see the S&P is down 48, Nasdaq down 227, Dow down 258, and the Russell is down about 23, almost 24. I have seen these lower. Uh, right now, the low on the S&P was down about 60, and I know that I saw uh, almost 400 on the Dow, so that's a little bit of a bounce. The dollar is stronger. Bitcoin and Ethereum both lower. The bond up again. The bonds were up over 5 points last week, almost 5.5 points last week. And, this is totally reflective of a flight to safety. Um, our dollar has been strong. People want dollar denominated bonds, even though fundamentally bond yields should be going higher with the amount of inflation and the amount of deficit spending that we've incurred, and unlikely that we will be able to do anything about it in the short term. All right, everyone, I'll be back first thing in the morning. Have a good evening.